Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is March monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you, Leo, and what's going on. Messages for Leo. Messages for Leo. Strength, the Fool, and the Hierophant. Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit, and Page of Swords. What's going on, Leo? High Priestess, you are listening to your inner voice, you are trusting your intuition. If not, do that, okay? Because your higher guides are with you, because the High Priestess, intuition, your intuition works well this time, especially when you got this card. Trust your intuition, okay? So let's see your reading. Recent past, Strength, the Fool, and the Hierophant. Everything was fine. You stand by your power. You are going with the flow. You are living in the present moment in past. And the Hierophant, there is commitment also. Everything was pretty in past. I am not seeing any issues in past because, see, maybe even though there are some issues, you don't care about them, about the issues, because you are going with the flow. You are in the full energy, Leo. Then present, Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit, and Page of Swords. You are not talking right now, present. You are not talking to your person. Maybe some issues. You are undergoing some awakening, the Hermit mode. And Page of Swords. Someone is spying on you, social media. Someone want to send some message, communication. And Eight of Pentacles is here. You are concentrating on your career. And you are working hard towards your goal. Yeah, you are investing energy on yourself, Leo. That is very good. You are putting your total focus on you, only you. Then future, Three of Swords, Nine of Wands, and the Devil. Maybe it could be your person or you, heartbroken. Maybe you, because for some there is separation. This is energy could be vice versa. One person is guarded up, one person is heartbroken. So which person are you in this situation? Definitely because one person is guarded up, thinking about the other person is a lot, and another person is heartbroken, and you both are obsessed with each other. Maybe especially you are obsessed with your person. This is very dark energy. You have to overcome this energy, Leo, if you are in this energy. Because when you showing your person that you are needy, definitely that energy is very dark, because neediness is also a negative energy. So the Devil, definitely there is some dark energy. So one person is guarded up, one person is heartbroken. But for some, you are heartbroken and thinking them about a lot. There is obsession. So take what resonates. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. And trust your intuition. Follow your intuition. Judgment. Your person will go, maybe your person will take some major decision regarding this connection, regarding their life, some major decision making. So let's see your person current feelings, Leo. Communication message. Queen of Pentacles. They're thinking about you, that you are working on yourself, on your career and finances. Yes. because their feelings towards you, these cards representing. And Page of Pentacles, they really want to communicate with you, some apology message or some communication. And Ten of Swords and the World, maybe they are waiting for the divine timing, right time to come towards you. For some it could be long distance relationship, you both live in different cities, countries or states, and the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. And Ten of Swords, so they still want rebirth in this connection, but there is so much pain. Ten of Swords energy. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, but some communication I'm getting here. Two cards, three cards, that's why I'm not taking. So your person near future actions towards you, Leo. Seven of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, communication, lots of communication, and Three of Cups under the deck. They want reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, and they want to communicate with you, and there will be back and forth communication between both of you near future. Eight of Wands, lots of communication. And Seven of Swords is here. Be careful if your person is putting you in third party situation. For some, you really know that your person is putting you in third party situation. Already you know about your person, still waiting for them. It is, I think, that is, you are putting yourself below that person because you already know about that person and still waiting for them. There is no point to give second chance. And for some, if your person really very genuine, maybe some small issues, then it is okay. But otherwise be careful, because Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy, masking, manipulator. But Ten of Pentacles, maybe for some your person is already married, for some third party situation also, but lots of communication is coming towards you. For some, those who are not in third party situation, your person really want to offer stability and they want to marry you. And Eights of Communication, lots of communication. For some it could be third party situation, Leo. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Nine of Cups and Six of Swords. And under the deck, the Devil. See, you both are obsessed with each other. Maybe this person is very obsessed over you and they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they are very dominative in this connection. They are in and out of your life. There is no commitment in past. There is obsession between both of you guys. And Nine of Cups with Six of Swords. They want to fix the things between both of you through communication. And yeah, they're wishing for you. Again, Seven of Swords, Emperor, and Two of Wands. You are thinking about them a lot. For some, it could be third part, long distance relationship, but you stand by your power and you are very grounded. You taking your power back, Leo. But this person, two times Seven of Swords energy. Be careful. Once again, I am saying. And yes, some trust issues also. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles. Someone, I think it's you working on your career and abundance, and Justice, they're coming back for second chances, but someone is ready to cut off that person from their life if it is third party involved. If it is not, definitely there are some second chances and marriage involved, because Justice is also marriage card. It depends, okay, on your situation. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Leo. This could be soulmate connection. This love is mutual. You stand by your power. You are very grounded. See, it's you working on your growth, working on your abundance. Still, you are at some crossroads because you don't know. how to make decision on this matter particularly, because they are coming back for second chances, but you are not trusting them because in past they hurt you, now wanting you back, but totally it's up to you. And your person current feelings, overall energy for the month, temperance. Yeah, maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. They're patiently waiting for divine timing. 5 of Swords, definitely they backstabbed on you, cheated on you. 2 of Wands, they are also thinking about you a lot. And 8 of Pentacles, maybe they want to work on this relationship. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. Show the world the real you. So show your emotion, express your feelings, Leo. Show the world the real you. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.